guys, I really wish I could play the guitar. That's just one of the things that I'm not great at. Tried taking lessons, but it didn't work. I'm so happy to be here, and I'm excited because for the first time I get to do something that I love doing. Although I can't play the guitar, one thing I know how to do is cook. I know how to cook. I love to cook. Cooking is one of my love languages, and I'm excited about God Love and Sushi because it's a great avenue for me to showcase my love for God, my love for my family, and some of the things that I love to do, and obviously to cook. So on this show you get to learn new recipes, my recipes, fusions of American, African, and South American dishes, kind of fusion together to create authentic meals. And I am excited because you will sometimes get to see my husband, although he hates being on the camera, and then you get to meet my lovely children. They will try some recipes or give feedback, or we just have lovely family time conversations. So I'm so excited because this is long overdue. The title God Love and Sushi came from a book I wanted to write some years ago, but I never got around to it, and now I just feel like it's a perfect time. We're on lockdown and there's just that burst of creativity that I feel like it's going on. So although I am horrible with playing the guitar, I cannot wait for the amazing things I get to throw together in the kitchen. So I would love for you to join me on this journey. Thank you.